your first take, and how does this actually help their outlook?
Right. It's not a surprise. Chow Fook had actually highlighted back in November when it reported its results that it's considering plans to shut stores in Hong Kong amidst the social unrest in the city. So they are reiterating, plans in the pipeline to review stores that will be up for rental renewals or renegotiations over the next 12 months. And I think if you actually look at it right now, Hong Kong currently accounts for less than a fifth of the company's overall profits. So the impact, I would say, is unlikely going to be as material as the numbers seems.
All right. A lot of the focus has shifted to their China business as well. I mean, we have gold prices have surged quite a bit here. I mean, how do you see jewelry demand holding up?
Right. I think, jewelry demand is actually increasing in China, and this is actually driving the company's initiative to actually open more stores locally by themselves and including through their franchisees. But I guess overall, if you look at the numbers itself, we are still looking at a mid to high single-digit year-on-year growth in jewelry demand for 2020.
Catherine, are more retailers likely to shut up shop then in Hong Kong? Is this the start of a trend?
Right. I think, what we've seen in the city over the last couple of months has definitely triggered more considerations in the economics of actually operating a store in Hong Kong. And I think it's all down to the dollars and cents, whether it actually makes economic backing to actually continue to operate stores, particularly if profits are not able to actually sustain some of the initiatives that the retailers are taking in the city. I think we have already heard, from various news sources that LVMH has decided to actually pull out of their flagship store at Lee Gardens in the city, after the negotiations with the landlord fail. So I think you might actually continue to see some of these instances popping up.